Welcome back to Pro Chef Academy. So today what we're going to do, a very simple video how to prepare a pomegranate. So what most people do is you just cut it in half and then you just tap it with a spoon and they knock out the seeds. But an easier way to do it is to just use the natural segments that are in the pomegranate itself to help you release the seeds. So we're going to make a start here. I have a bowl here, pomegranate knife. So we're going to just cut the top off first. Okay, just pop that to one side, and then what we want to do is, you can see like there's segments here. Okay, so we're going to kind of cut there like that, just down in between the segments there like that, and that is going to help us to divide it up. And this is nice and ripe, this one, as you can see. Like so. We just want to make sure all these kind of intersections meet, like that. And that helps us then to open out, okay, like so, and gives us access then to the seeds quite easily. Okay, and then you can see there's like a honeycomb effect nearly. Okay, I want to catch all this juice as well. And the centerpiece here will generally come out. Okay, if we can see that there, this honeycomb effect. And what you're left with then is, if I just pull one off here, like so, and then we can just tap it, and we have a lot less wastage there. Let's pick this membrane off and we just tap there like that. Okay, so the action there, you have to hit this quite hard. You can use a spoon as well. You need to tap it quite hard in order to remove the seeds there, as you can see there. Okay, and any piece of husk, just take that out there as well. So expose all the little seeds of pomegranate. Alright, so don't be afraid to hit it. So just to recap there, in order to get our beautiful seeds, so we cut the top off our pomegranate, okay, which is here, and then we segment around the different sections of the pomegranate, and then if you open it out, sometimes the central core, you'll just be able to pull it out, okay, as a piece. Otherwise it will expose the different sections or segments of the pomegranate, so it gives you free access to the seeds, and then it's just a matter of releasing them into your bowl. So it's a really easy way, a lot less wastage, something that a lot of people don't do. Like I said, a lot of people just kind of cut it in half and then just tap it with a spoon, the half, to try and pop the seeds out, and you can lose a lot of seeds. So very simple process here today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like my other videos, if you did, please like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you very soon back at Pro Chef Academy again. So thanks for watching.